One simple nighttime routine. 3 fruits. 2 hours. Sleep. Wake up sharper. Here's the exact plan. You wake up at 3 a.m. Again. Your mind is foggy, your memory feels like it's running on dial-up internet, and you spent a full minute this morning trying to remember the word for, the thing you put bread in, the toaster. You couldn't remember toaster. If that sounds familiar, stick around, because what I'm about to share could genuinely change the way your brain performs, and it all starts 2 hours before you close your eyes. Scientists have been quietly fascinated by something called sleep-dependent memory consolidation. In simple terms, your brain does its most powerful repair work while you're asleep. It flushes out toxic proteins, rebuilds neural connections, and basically takes your memories from the day and files them properly. But here's the catch. Your brain needs the right fuel to do any of that. And most seniors aren't giving it nearly enough. That's where these 3 fruits come in. Number 1, tart cherries. Tart cherries are basically nature's sleeping pill wrapped in a tiny red package. They're one of the only natural food sources of melatonin, the hormone that signals your brain that it's time to wind down and begin repairs. But beyond sleep, tart cherries contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that have been shown to reduce neuroinflammation. Think of neuroinflammation like rust on your mental wiring. Tart cherries help sand that rust right off. Eat a small bowl of tart cherries or drink 4 ounces of tart cherry juice about 2 hours before bed. Your brain will thank you, loudly. Number 2, blueberries. Blueberries deserve their own parade. Seriously. Studies out of Harvard and Tufts University have found that regular consumption of blueberries is linked to delayed cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. 2.5 years. The compounds in blueberries, particularly pterostilbene and resveratrol, cross the blood-brain barrier and directly support the hippocampus, which is the region responsible for memory formation. A handful of blueberries 2 hours before bed is like sending a little construction crew into your brain overnight. Number 3, kiwi. This one surprises people. Kiwi, little fuzzy green thing. Yes. Research published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating 2 kiwis 1 hour before bed improved sleep onset, total sleep duration, and sleep efficiency significantly. Better sleep means better brain repair. It's really that simple. Kiwis are also loaded with vitamin C and serotonin precursors, which help calm your nervous system and set the stage for deep, restorative sleep. So here's your pre-bed ritual. Tart cherries, blueberries, and 2 kiwis, 2 hours before lights out. That's it. Here's the part where I tell you something even more useful. If you want to take this brain restoration seriously, there's one supplement that keeps coming up in the research alongside these exact fruits, and that's magnesium glycinate. Here's the thing. Magnesium is like the bouncer at the club of your nervous system. It keeps the overly excitable neurons calm, supports GABA production, which is the brain's natural relaxation chemical, and has been directly linked to improved memory and reduced age-related cognitive decline. Most seniors are deficient in magnesium and don't even know it. Magnesium glycinate is the most bioavailable, gentlest form for digestion. No upset stomach, no rushing to the bathroom at 2 a.m. Take it alongside your fruit ritual, and you're basically building a spa night for your neurons. We've linked a high-quality magnesium glycinate supplement in the description below. It's affordable, well-reviewed, and the kind of thing your future self, the one who remembers the word toaster on the first try, will be very grateful for. So tonight, skip the late-night chips. Grab your cherries, your blueberries, your kiwis, take your magnesium, and let your brain do what it was built to do: rebuild, restore, and remember. Your brain worked hard for you today. Give it the tools to work for you tonight. Sweet dreams and sharper mornings. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.